controversial about it. Like really, really dig deep past that surface level and make sure that you're saying something. Be like, jobs suck. And people that work jobs, I have no idea whether like wasting their time, making somebody else rich, helping those people that are at the top, line their pockets full of gold, while you're down there suffering, working 50, 60 hours a week, missing time with your family. Like, to me, it's egregious that those people even agree to those terms and conditions. And it frustrates me that you even do that. And it's just like saying something like that is super controversial because essentially you're hating on people that work a job, right? But it's just like, they're like, well, it's not my fucking fault. I have no other options, right? Which is untrue, but that's their mentality, right? So then they'll hit you back on those things, but then you'll have the other people with a better mentality, with a better mindset. They're going to be taking your side.